Guys, welcome back to the not brand video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you block cash app from your bank account. So guys, you can do it very easily. So there are two ways to fix this problem. The first method is, guys, you may use online portal of your bank account and you may select cash app from here, and you may block cash app transactions, or you may revoke cash app for your withdrawals or transaction. The second method is, guys, you may directly contact to your bank and ask them to revoke or stop payments through cash app or withdrawals from cash app, and they will fix it and they will block cash app account from your account, and you will not be able to do payments through your bank account on your cash app account. The third method is, guys, if you are unable to do that, you may also block your bank account from here also on cash app. Then, guys, you may simply click here on cash app, and guys, you may click here on your activity, and you may block or unblock someone from here. Or also, if you have any other problem, you may click here on support, and you may contact to cash app support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.